got my 35th anniversary Sonic statue from Richard Orlinski, if you want to be legit in French, but gonna unbox it, check it out. This thing looks amazing. It was 170 euros. I don't know how the pricing worked out. I got two of them. They ended up being about $170 each. So it comes in this bag. You untie it and pull it out, and you got the box. It's a tight fit, as you can see. Voila. Sonic the Hedgehog, 35th anniversary. And there's a picture of what the art looks like. Famous French pop art sculptor. Should be cool. Here's his logo, if you can see it on the box there. We have a certificate of authenticity. That's neat. It's got Sonic on there. Tells you all about it. This creation reinterprets Sonic the Hedgehog, the gaming legend. Richard Orlinski pays tribute to Sonic's energy through a sculptural, faceted artwork. Low poly lines echo aesthetics of early 3D video games, bridging contemporary art with nostalgia. Pull out our foam. Oh, and here's Sonic. This is a lot larger than I thought it was gonna be. I was picturing it to be like maybe just larger than like a Nendoroid. No, this thing is huge. Let's take him out. I'll get to him in a second. Is there anything else in the box? No, this is it. That's the unboxing. That's all it comes with, but it's a nice box, so that's cool. I don't know what it is, but it smells good. I don't think it's supposed to smell good, but it does. And here he is, just like the photos. Cool. Very lightweight. I think it's a vinyl sculpture. Now he's not flexible or posable or anything. This arm has a little bit of wiggle, but you don't want to mess with it. Stands on his own. He's pretty cool looking. It's fun, you know. It's an art piece, and it's Sonic. I love Sonic. I haven't been a huge Sonic guy since I was younger, you know, from the Sonic Adventure era. But that's kind of what he looked like in a lot of the promo materials. There he is from the rear. He's got his spikes, and he's got that kind of polygon look to him, right? I love that. That's really cool. Very, very Sonic Adventure, if you will. Now, if we're going to be critical, the only thing I will say is he looks much darker in these press photos, much glossier, darker. Like, look how cool that is. The actual one looks a little more rubbery, a little more matte. It's not as dark. Still looks great. I still love it, but it's not quite the same. Lesson learned. There you have it. Orlinski Editions. Richard Orlinski. Sonic the Hedgehog, Sega 35th anniversary. Pretty slick looking little statue. That's gonna look cool on my shelf, or however I choose to present it. He goes well with his box. We'll see. If you got one of these, let me know in the comments if you like it, what you think about it. If there's anything else like this I should get that might look cool on the shelf. Thanks for watching, guys.